traveling. I'm in my taxi. I'm headed to the train station and I'm taking the sleeper train all the way to Chiang Mai. I am super ready for this journey today and I'm excited to, go on the train, and the trip is 12 hours. So I'm leaving at 20 to 6 and I'm going to arrive 7:30 in the morning. What a long journey, but anyway, I'm all prepared. I have my snacks right here. I got my snacks from 7-Eleven. I'm not sure if they're serving food on the train. They only had this train which is second class, so I decided to go for it. But anyway, yeah, I'm ready, and come along with me as we take this journey to Chiang Mai, my loves. See you in a bit. There is so much traffic, guys. I just don't know, but I'm not late. I'm just like, I've been on the road forever. We're almost here. The train station looks like an airport, guys. Very big and very clean, very attractive, I tell you. Look how huge it is. Let's go. Guys, I have finally arrived, and yeah, 1 more hour to go till we board the train. I'm so tired. My bag has been killing me. So I managed to get a trolley for my bags. I'm happy about that because this big bag is a problem. Everyone is waiting. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get inside the train. So like, if you didn't buy anything from 7-Eleven and you're afraid of starving, there's a lot of stalls here selling food. So they're everywhere here in the terminal. Super excited. Wow, it looks really nice. 9. Thank you. I'm so excited, guys. It looks so cool. And the station is so nice, guys. This is my carriage, and wow, so beautiful.
You can keep inside.
Okay. Wow, look at this, guys. So beautiful, very clean. It smells amazing in here. Woohoo! Hey, there are screens here. There are beds up there. This is gonna be my bed because I chose the lower one. So this couch, they turn it into a bed later on at night. They have water supply for us here. So good. Okay, I'm at number 4. This is number 4. This is my seat, guys. Seat number 4. And I have my water here. I don't think I'm sitting with anyone because there isn't another bottle of water. And this is a table. Flip it like this and you can eat, do your work here. Like, I have work to do editing my videos. Anyway, this is the second class. And there's an outlet here to charge my phones, laptops, and a light if I want to read. And you can just tilt it to whichever direction you want it to be. And a huge window for the views as we cruise away. Oh, this is so nice. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are too. This is my first experience of taking a train here. I've been taking trains, but like I mean here in Thailand, it's my first experience going on a second class train, sleeper train actually. I mean by saying first experience because I've never traveled at night on a train, sleeping on a train, so that's gonna be my first experience. I'm super excited. What about you? The seats are big enough for 2 people. You can see how wide it is, but it's actually for like 1 person. So each seat is numbered. Mine is 4, this one is 3. So this can literally sit 2 people, and yeah, it's big enough, literally like a single bed. So I know it's spacious, and I'm gonna have a beauty sleep later. Wow, this is so cool, guys. There's literally more space under these chairs, and you can store your extra bags underneath. So I'm just gonna flip this other bag underneath. I already have another one. Also have food, guys. They offer you a menu to order whatever that you might want. I already bought snacks, but I think I'll have french fries. I love french fries so much. This is the menu. Our journey has just begun, and we are literally moving. The train is moving now, and ooh, I can't wait to sleep though. I'm just so excited about that one. Anyway, let me show you. It's already dark out there because it's almost 7 p.m. For sleeping, and they're fixing the bed for me. There's another one on top, but because where I'm sitting there's no one, I guess it'll just be me. Hi guys, I'm chilling in the train. So it's time to sleep now, and yeah, the bed is quite spacious and I'm just relaxing. There's also a curtain, so you slide it to close and you just have your private space. So this is how the train looks at night, guys. Everyone is sleeping. Hello. And hi. Hello. Everyone is sleeping and they have their curtains closed up. So let's go check out the bathroom. They have sinks on the side of the aisle, just by the doors here. This is where you can wash your hands if you want to eat your food. Let's check out the bathroom. Which one is the ladies? This is the men's. Okay, this one is vacant. Oh, this is the bathroom. It smells really good in here, and yeah, it's just a normal toilet, but it's very clean. This train is cool. So I had ordered food earlier, guys, and I told them to bring them at 9, and they came right on time. So I ordered french fries and chicken wings. There's a little salad over there. It's time for me to dig in. Then I pass out. Let's get some sun, baby. It's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Good morning, my loves. I'm still on the train. It's in the morning and everybody's awake. The beds are all made up. Now we're just sitting normally. on our seats, and yeah, I'm having orange juice, and it tastes so good. It's freshly squeezed orange juice, and they're selling it on the train. But anyway, yeah, we are like maybe 40 minutes till we arrive, 40 minutes away. I just love what I'm seeing already. Beautiful nature, so green, and so many trees. So far, no buildings yet because we're still like a little bit far. But anyway, yeah, I didn't sleep much. I didn't sleep much at all. One thing about me, I need complete silence when I sleep, and I knew that I was going to struggle to sleep, but I kept catching a few naps, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I didn't get to sleep much at all because, yeah, and the train is shaking a bit much, which is understandable. Anyway, I'll sleep when I get to my apartment. Otherwise, the journey has been amazing. Nothing to complain about, to be honest. It's very enjoyable. Yeah, so I'll see you in a bit, my loves. I'm finally here, guys. I'm just waiting for my taxi to go check in my apartment. Ooh, I'm so exhausted. Very early in the morning. Guys, that was a long journey, okay? I literally stepped into my apartment, and I just want to quickly share it with you guys before I pass out because I'm gonna sleep after here. But anyway, let's get right into it. Let's not waste any more time because your girl is tired. All right. My condo is so beautiful, guys. This is the front door, and this is the mini kitchen. This is where I'll be making my meals. I have my washing machine here, which I'm gonna use instantly because I need to wash my clothes. And I have a fridge over here. Let's see if they have water for me because I'm thirsty. No water, I'm gonna have to get some water. Beautiful flowers over there, and a painting behind. A cute painting behind there, and we walk into the living room. They still have a Christmas tree. Oh, okay. My mini tiny living room looks so beautiful. That's TV on a TV stand. There's a couch, a coffee table, and here is where I will be having my meals. And this is my bedroom. Wow, it is so clean, very spacious. It looks like it's tiny, but it's very spacious. And yeah, I have my bed over here. No white linen, it's okay as long as it's clean. Side lamps, oh my god, so beautiful. And this is my closet, extra blankets. It's so cute, guys. I love the sliding door of the closet. Moving on to the bathroom. Let's see. Okay, this is the bathroom. I still have my bags on because I really wanted to do this video so quick. Big mirror over there, which I love so much. A sink over here where I'll be brushing my teeth. A toilet, and a very spacious shower, and compartments down here. I don't know what's in here. Oh, hair dryers. Okay, this is so beautiful. Oh, and they have some really oversized slippers for me here to use in the house. Okay, this is my apartment. I'm gonna be here for a few days, enjoying and taking you around, exploring the beautiful city of Chiang Mai. I love the lighting of this apartment. They have so much light, so many lights. And yeah, I love light when I need it. and I love darkness when I don't need the light. Okay, let's see what's out here. This is the balcony. Okay. The balcony with the view of the other side of the towers, and I think this is storage for whatever they're keeping, and this is where I can hang my clothes after washing. Yeah, this is good enough for me, and yeah, I'm going to enjoy my stay. Like I said, I literally just checked in here my bags, and yeah. So my loves, I have literally arrived in Chiang Mai, and I can't wait to explore it and take you with me everywhere I go so that we explore this amazing place together. And yeah, just stay tuned in, and I'm gonna do a city tour of Chiang Mai when I wake up, hopefully when I wake up. And then yeah, we take it from there. I hope you're excited about this one because your girl is super excited. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure that you add this channel to your watch list. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuning in. From me today, it's all love. Toodles.
Que me falte tu piel.